People, hello. Before the launch of the Galaxy S24, there is no less than 6 months, but some of its functions are already open. By the way, we have a Telegram channel. We publish the most operative insights, including the series of the Galaxy S24 and much more, so be sure to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Link to the Telegram channel in the description or in the search in the Telegram, enter Technogar, you will be the first. Be sure to subscribe and join our tech chat, there is also a link. Well, now we continue. Some believe that Samsung will continue to use the flagship processor Qualcomm, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the rest of the line will be equipped with a non-launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the Galaxy. Others believe that Samsung will try to save a little money by equipping the Galaxy S24 series with its own Exynos 2400, another unannounced chipset, which is rumored to be equipped with a 10-core processor. But for now, this information is quite contradictory and we have no accurate data. While everything seems to be suspended in the air, perhaps the decision has not yet been made within the company. But it became known that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is waiting for an unexpected camera update. According to the reliable insider Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with a modernized telephoto lens. It is reported that it will use a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom. This is not a 5x zoom, which was previously rumored, but this is 5 times more sensor resolution than the 3x telephoto lens on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Judging by the sensor resolution, the new camera sensor may be larger than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A larger sensor with a much higher resolution can improve the image and video quality on this smartphone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra with a modernized zoom camera should provide much better image and video quality not only at 3x zoom, but also at other levels of zoom up to 9x. The Galaxy S23 Ultra works well at native 3x and 10x zoom, but at intermediate levels of zoom from 3.1x to 9.9x, the image looks softer, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra can fix this situation. Earlier this year, there were talks about a lens with a variable zoom for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will have an optical zoom from 3x to 10x, but this word was refuted by another insider named Revegnos. For the main camera of the S24 Ultra, it is expected that Samsung will use the same 200-megapixel sensor of the ISOCELL HP2 camera. In case of a telephoto lens with a 10x zoom, minor improvements will also be made. Now the only thing left to modernize is the ultra-wide-angle camera on expensive Samsung phones, and, of course, the update would be the use of a 48 or 50-megapixel sensor to get clearer and more detailed ultra-wide-angle and macro shots. In my opinion, this is one of the most important upgrades that Samsung will introduce. I really want a higher quality and more detailed super wide. Another rumor says that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with multi-layer batteries, which will retain the rating of 5,000 mAh of the predecessor of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, although the speed of fast charging can increase to 65 watts. And finally, according to rumors, the RAM for the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be increased to 16 GB with models 512 and 1 TB. Now tell me, will you be satisfied with such upgrades? A little better TV, more OZ, faster charging. Isn't it too little? Although this has not yet been confirmed. On the other hand, there may be something else that will surprise us Samsung. I would like, first of all, faster charging, fingerprint scanner 3D Sonic Max, and, perhaps, Snapdragon, and not Exynos. And what would you like, first of all, share in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Harry was with you, good luck to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck to everyone.